Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use forms in PowerApps. Forms are a fundamental component for building interactive applications, allowing users to view, edit, and submit data efficiently. They act as a bridge between your app's user interface and your underlying data sources. Understanding forms is crucial for developing robust and user-friendly PowerApp solutions, enabling you to create powerful data-driven experiences with relative ease and speed. PowerApps primarily features two types of forms: edit forms and display forms. Edit forms are used when you need to create new records or modify existing ones, providing input fields. Display forms are perfect for simply showing data without allowing changes. You can connect these forms to a wide array of data sources, including popular options like SharePoint, Microsoft Dataverse, and even Excel files stored in the cloud, offering great flexibility and power. Customizing your form fields is where you truly tailor the user experience. Each field in a form is represented by a data card, which you can unlock and modify. Within these data cards, you can change the type of control, perhaps switching a text input to a drop-down for specific choices. You can also adjust properties like visibility, size, and color. This level of customization allows you to create highly specific and intuitive data entry experiences for your users. Submitting data from your forms is straightforward using the Submit Form function, typically triggered by a button. Before submission, it is vital to implement validation rules to ensure data quality. You can set required fields or define specific formats, like an email address pattern. After submission, the forms on success and on failure properties allow you to provide feedback to the user, perhaps navigating to another screen or displaying an error message, ensuring a smooth user journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.